This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Gardening fantastics, I have now planted some cilantro, red pepper, collards, and celery seeds. You see the date on there, 5/6/22. Okay, so we shall see what happens. Hopefully I have some good soil for them. I use that Miracle Grow and a couple other things, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully the soil is great for the little seedlings. Starting them off in the little red cups, and then I got, let me show you my planters that I got from Amazon. This is a six-inch pot planter. The little, I guess the little ones they use at the nursery. It's not the, then you know, you would put this in a decorative, put it in a decorative planter. Keep it in here, you know, if you want the plant to be a certain size, you want it bigger, you know, you're gonna transplant it, move it in a different spot. Or in my case, I just repot because I don't have, you know, I'm just on the balcony, so I'm not transplanting anything. That's when you move it in another area of your yard or whatever. But repot is when I just take it out of one pot and put it in a bigger pot because because of the plant growing. So this is what I'm gonna put the seedling. When they get bigger, I'm gonna put them in here and grow them from these 6-inch pots. Wish me luck with my new planted seeds. Now, with this pot now, I'm about to put one of my propagated, this is a long video, y'all. I don't know, maybe I should split it up to three parts. Okay, I'm gonna do 3 parts. This is gonna be the 3rd part. But, I'm going to put my propagated couple of snake plant leaves in this pot now. Since I don't have a tripod, I have to come back and show you guys. That's the soil down here. I'm going to put it in this 6-inch pot. Then when I come back, you'll see it in the pot, and I'll have my little marker. Like I got these little markers. I'm so proud of my little markers. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, gardening fantastics, I'm back. Finished today's gardening of planting seeds and potting up the propagated snake plant leaves, and also, as you can see, the sign, today's date, and I smeared it, but it's snake plant on there. That's what they looking like. And what's going to happen with the snake plant leaves, they're going to grow pups, which is going to be the new plant. The new pups grow off the propagated leaf. And there is where you start to have your new plants. I don't know how many going to grow or whatever, and then I'll separate them and have as many snake plants as I want, and I don't have to purchase them from the store. And I save money by propagation. Save you a lot of money, y'all. Oh, and here we are, you guys. Remember this little guy? This is either apple seed or a lemon seedling. Look how big it's gotten. Look at all those leaves. Can anyone identify it now? Can you tell if it's lemon? Shiny, glossy leaves look like lemon. I don't know. I'm just saying that, y'all. I just remember lemon leaves are shiny and glossy, and they're scented, smell like lemons, limes, beautiful. So this is what's going on. If you guys can identify it now, let me know. Look how the leaves are sprouting on it. Okay, so I'm going to end this. This is like a 3-part video because I didn't want to make it so long. So I'm going to put them all up. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Don't forget to use the thumbs up button. Give me thumbs up, share the videos, recommend the channel through by sharing, and hope you enjoy watching it. And don't forget to invite me to your channel to watch your videos and to support your channel, help your channel grow, help your channel get monetized, because I know that's what a lot of folks are on here to earn a few dollars from YouTube for making these videos. You need 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 watch hours. So keep putting up videos. If you can do it every day, 2-3 videos, whatever, that help your watch time grow, and try and get more subscribers. Be nice to folks, invite them, tell them to subscribe to your channel. That's the only way you're going to grow. And don't forget to support folks back, because you don't get no watch time, you can't get your 4,000 hours. You have to support each other. I don't know why I'm preaching to y'all, because that ain't my job. Okay, have a great day, gardening fantastic, and happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers and fathers who out there doing their thing. Bye, you guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for your time and support.